Why CO2 is not used in confined space? When a CO2 extinguisher is used in a confined space, there is danger that the user may become overwhelmed by the sudden increase in carbon dioxide. Okay, and the confined space means oxygen will be replaced by the CO2 much faster. We have seen earlier one vessel, okay, cross section of the vessel, oxygen and CO2. So for your clarity, go back and see that video. What is the gas test to be conducted in confined space? OSHA dictates that the minimum safe level of oxygen in a confined space is 19.5%. Okay, while the maximum safe level of oxygen is a confined space is 23.5%. Normal practice is always follow standard operation procedures uses of the owners. Okay, these owners having a special separate SOP. As per the SOP only we have to carry out. Safe practice of oxygen testing in confined space. Oxygen is 21% and other toxic gases shall be 0. This is the normal standard practice. But as per OSHA, it is 23.5% max. Minimum is 19.5%. So it's not necessary that we should follow exactly the same thing. We should follow a guidelines, a Bible of the standard operation procedures of the owners. That owner says 21% of the oxygen and toxic gases shall be 0. It has to be maintained. So everywhere in any refinery, whenever you are going to work in any country, work as per their owners' SOPs. Okay. Combustible gases. Since gases cannot combustible without enough oxygen, it cannot combust without oxygen. Simple. A confined space oxygen level can give you an idea of the concentration of combustible gases. There are two levels to pay attention to when measuring combustible gases. Lower explosion limit, LEL, that is called LEL. This is the lowest concentration of a gas in the air that can combust or produce a flame when paired with an ignition source. Upper exposure limit, it is UEL. This is the highest concentration of the gas in the air that can combust or produce a flame when paired with an ignition source. If a gas concentration is below its LEL, it cannot ignite and the confined space is considered safe. If the gas concentration is above UEL, the gas is too rich and there is not enough oxygen for combustions. Is it clear, my friends? So we have discussed this picture. Okay. Work safely. Your knowledge is your asset. Thank you very much for your cooperation to view my videos. Try to understand from the beginning till the end. Watch all the videos. And to prepare these videos, it will take long time, my friends. This is a big video which I am going to make some parts, 8 to 10 parts. Each part maybe contains of 8 to 10 minutes maximum. So what I would like to tell you is, whatever I have gained experience, I worked 40 years in the field, I would like to share my knowledge to the people by collecting all these pictures and writing everything. It takes sometimes some efforts are there. It is because I would like to teach you something which is most important to work in oil and gas. Subscribe my channel, write your comments, any doubts, please write in comments. I will definitely respond to individuals. And okay, a free training also I would like to conduct who are interested in Zoom meetings. Okay, thank you so much.